Hello, today we're going to talk about how to make this portal to another world effect. I'm pre-recording this because by the time this goes out, I will be at Octocon. And I figured, seeing as I'm going to a sci-fi and fantasy convention, it was a good idea to do something fantasy-ish for you today. Okay then, let's go over to Canva and start designing. Create a design, first of all. And we're going to use 1600 by 2560, which is the right size for a book cover in case you wanted to make this into a fantasy book cover. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we teach authors how to use Canva for book marketing and other graphics. If you are an author who would like to talk to other authors about using Canva, come join the free Facebook group. The link is in the description. If you'd like some free stuff, come sign up for my newsletter. Again, the link is in the description. Okay, so we have this. First thing we're going to do, we're going to gather the things that we need. So let's duplicate this and we'll have this one here. So I spent a lot of time searching for elements or in Canva. I've ended up using a lot of pro elements, but you can do this with free. Let's search for circle. We've got all of these, and I'm looking in. So you've got graphics, photos, videos, shapes, and we're going into frames. So we're just going to use the first one, which is just a basic circle frame. We need a sparkly circle. So for that one, we'll probably need graphics. So we've got all kinds of things. Most of these are pro. There's not very many sparkly circles that you can get for free, but let's have a look. There's a few for free, not many though. But I'm going to use one that is a pro image. So here's one I used earlier. So this one is clear in the middle. See, you can see right through it, and you do need that. So that's my frame. And then we need a background and optionally a foreground. And also you need something, the new land. So this is the current land. Let's get the new land. That's inside the frame. And where's my sparkly circle disappeared to now? Put the sparkly circle back. All right, I think that's everything. And I'm going to grab a lady. And some shadows and things, which I'll come back to later. Okay, first we're going to get the background, and then we're going to expand the background to be how we want it. Maybe we want it a bit lower, maybe? What do you think? So there's a bit more. Don't do that. I just want this to move like this. So there's a lot more sky. Actually, we do need a little bit of foreground with the thing so that you can see her walking towards it. Okay, so next we're going to do the frame. If it ends up in the wrong place, in the wrong layer, going behind, just go to show layers and it'll show you your layers. We're going to be playing with the layers panel a lot. Okay, so that's that, and that's roughly where the portal is going to be. Okay. And then we want what's in the portal, which is this garden here. And if you drop it into the frame, that works. But now it looks kind of out of place because it's not really lined up with the real world. So let's line it up with the real world a little bit more. A bit more even. If we move it to here, and then we move this up a bit. So what we're trying to do is what look like you are walking along. So you're lining up the vanishing points basically so that it looks roughly like you're stepping from one world into another, and the vanishing points are at about the same place. So you can move your picture inside the frame around a little bit until it fits. Sort of like that. There you go. And now you're going to put your sparkly circle on top. Let's expand the sparkly circle so that it's the right sort of size. And then to stop it being grabbed, we press Control. And that means you can move it without the risk of it being grabbed and dragged into the frame. So that is useful. Top tip. Control does lots of weird things, and this is one of the more useful ones. Right, so let's adjust the size and fit it over so that, there we go. Now we have this portal to another world. Now you could stop there. You could, let's just duplicate this page. You could go and you could delete the background image. Go to the layers menu, show layers. Take this one, delete it, and turn the background to black. That looks pretty cool. You could put a title underneath that and an author name at the top, and that would make a decent book cover. You could obviously change the picture inside. If you want to change the picture inside, go to the layers menu. You have to use the layers menu simply because you have so many layers now, and they're all kind of stacked on top of each other. You go to your frame, right click on it, and detach image. And the image pops out. You could put a different image in. But we're not going to do that, so let's undo that. Okay. So what I thought was this was quite nice. It might be nice to have a lady in the foreground about to step in. So let's get her, take the background away, and use background remover, another pro feature. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there is a link in the description. Again, that's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I think you normally don't get 30 days. Anyway, whatever. Right. Copy. Paste the lady. If you wanted, you could have a little bit of a blue nimbus around her. Rotate. And layers menu, layers, show layers, and move it between her and the thing. So just looks like there's a bit more light surrounding her. So yeah, there you go. How to make a portal to another dimension. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.